when someone is like, I don't know, just being like an aggressive driver to me, I wish that I could just like turn into a state trooper or turn into a police officer and just stop their car.
This isn't a typical Friday morning for me. In a recent attempt to combat cashless tolling-related revenue loss, Governor Andrew Cuomo deployed 150 state troopers to New York City's bridges and tunnels. Since then, troopers have become a more common sight around the 5 boroughs. But given this fairly small deployment for this specific purpose in a place with the nation's largest local police force, I began to wonder the role of a trooper outside of city limits. To get a better idea, I headed upstate to Hawthorne, New York, to follow New York State Trooper Golsall, who has been with the department for the past 4 years. The day started with making sure I was safe in the event of any dangerous situations with a police-grade Teflon bulletproof vest. Trooper Golsall comes from a long line of law enforcement and considers this a dream job.
Family plays a big part of it. It's always, it's also you want to help people that are in need. Most people that deal with us don't deal with us on a good day. Like, things are happening in their life that aren't good. They're dealing with it on a bad day. So you want to be able to help them when they're at, things that their life are at their worst.
During the ride-along, we stopped to check on several disabled vehicles on the side of the road.
How are you?
Gotta watch your back.
You okay? Just wanted to check on you, see if you're okay.
You got a spare?
I asked what goes through his mind when he's approaching a car.
I mean, it's only natural to get nervous. You don't know what you're going to get once you get to the call, how the person's going to react. So you have to kind of be ready for anything at that moment.
That attitude of preparedness is what keeps law enforcement safe. According to preliminary data from the National Law Enforcement Memorial Fund, the percentage of officers being killed in the line of duty rose 12% in 2018.
They come out here to help people. That's why they take this job. So I think that's a big thing that people need to understand, is that no one comes here thinking anything other than that they're today that you don't think anything beyond that. You come out here, do your job the way it's meant to be done, and you want to make it home safely as well.
Many of the stops were speeders, like this one student who says she was rushing to class.
Where are you headed today?
Class.
Excuse me?
Class.
Class? Where's that?
In Westchester, PA.
Okay.
Golsall gave her a warning and sent her along her way. From the day's events, one can see being a state trooper can be quite rewarding if you have the heart for civic duty and service. We spoke with Trooper AJ Hicks, who also serves as the Troop K Public Information Officer, to get more background on the role.
First, to become a trooper, you have to take the test. Generally, we offer the test every 4 years. You have to be 18 to take the test. You have to be 21 to be appointed. We do want people of good moral character, people that are motivated, people that want to make a difference in their community, people that want to help.
Trooper Golsall's intentions are to move up the ranks to higher positions. If that means moving to other areas of New York, he says he's okay with that too. Reporting for Bronxnet, Dorissa White.